Gareth Bale has once again sent Cardiff City supporters' minds racing after a series of appearances on American television. The former Real Madrid star and ex-Wales captain confirmed that a consortium of which he is in front and centre has tabled another bid to buy Cardiff City, believing the proposal to be more than fair. Bale recently revealed his desire to spearhead a takeover in order to get his hometown club, currently preparing for a League One campaign, back to the Premier League. The emergence of Bale as a potential figurehead in Cardiff's ownership consortium has not only ignited excitement but has also driven speculation in recent weeks. Supporters have been captivated by the idea one of Wales's greatest ever players taking the reins at the club who's close to his heart. Speaking on FOS, he said, "We have a brand new offer on the table. We think it's a great offer, one we think is very fair, if not more than fair. We'd love the current owners to accept." In another interview, he added, "We've actually put in a great new offer that hopes to get feedback. It's out of our hands now, but things are exciting and I'm looking forward to what the future holds." Despite Bale's enthusiasm, sources close to the club dispute whether a formal bid has truly been submitted. In strict takeover terms, a bid would require head of terms, proof of funds and full disclosure of backers, none of which have reportedly been handed over to Cardiff. What has been received is a letter of intent outlining proposed financial figures. However, this does not yet qualify as an official offer, nor as exclusive and can be triggered. While the bid is suggested to be in the £20 to £40 million range, insiders say it falls short of expectations. On the pitch, Barry Murphy has made clear the plan from owner Vincent Tan about returning to the second tier at the first time of asking. The club insists business continues as usual, with no pending takeover talks affecting transfers, internal operations or plans for the upcoming season.